Introducing the Yale Keyless Connected Smart Lock, a giant leap forward in security convenience. This new generation smart lock is the perfect solution to control access through doors. For homes, guest houses and offices to storerooms and computer departments, the Yale Keyless Connected Smart Lock is the ideal solution. Easily program access for up to 20 IDs of either PIN codes, cards, tags or phone stickers. There is even an option to set a temporary PIN code which expires after 24 hours or to simply revoke issued IDs. This smart lock can also be integrated into home automation systems. Welcome to the smart home revolution. To find out more, visit yalelock.co.za.